In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up Mailchimp pop-up form on WordPress. By the end, you'll have a working sign-up form connected to your Mailchimp audience and placed exactly where you want it on your WordPress site. We'll create the form in Mailchimp, configure its fields, copy the generated code, and then embed that code into WordPress using a custom HTML block. I'll also share a few quick tips so everything goes smoothly. First, head into your Mailchimp account. From the main dashboard, look for the Forms area. This is where Mailchimp keeps all the tools for building sign-up experiences. Inside Forms, open the section called Other Forms. You'll see several form types here. Choose Embedded Form. This option generates a small code snippet you can place on your site so the form displays wherever you drop it. You'll be prompted to name your form. Click into the form name field and type something descriptive so you can recognize it later, like homepage sign-up or blog sidebar. Clear names help if you plan to create more than one form over time. Once you've entered a name, continue to the builder to start configuring what your visitors will see. Inside the builder, find the Form Fields panel. This is where you add or remove fields like first name, last name, and any other information you want to collect. Click or toggle on the fields you want to include. A good rule of thumb is to keep it simple. Email plus one optional field often converts better than a long questionnaire. If you're required to collect consent for marketing, make sure your language and fields follow your local compliance rules. Keep an eye on which fields you mark as required so you don't introduce unnecessary friction for your subscribers. When you're happy with the fields, click Continue. Mailchimp will finalize the form setup and show you the code you need. Click Copy Code. That puts the entire embed snippet onto your clipboard so it's ready to paste into your site. If you make changes later, just come back, update the form, and copy the new code again. Now switch over to your WordPress site editor. Open the page or template where you want the form to appear. Click the plus sign to add a new block. In the search bar, type Embed to quickly filter your options. Then select Custom HTML. Drag or place that custom HTML block exactly where the form should show on your page layout, above the fold for maximum visibility or within a specific section that makes sense for your visitors. Click inside the custom HTML block to focus it, then paste the code you copied from Mailchimp. You'll see the raw HTML in the editor. If your editor offers a preview toggle, you can switch to preview to check the layout. If not, don't worry, you can always view the front end after saving. Next, click Update to save your page changes and then click Save to confirm everything site-wide if you're working in a template. Once saved, your form is now live wherever you place that block. If you don't see it immediately on the public page, give it a moment, refresh your browser, and make sure any caching or performance plugins finish updating. Also note that some aggressive ad or script blockers in your browser can hide form scripts, so testing in a private window or another browser can help you confirm everything's working. That's it. You created the form in Mailchimp, customized the fields you want to collect, copied the embed code, and placed it into WordPress using a custom HTML block. Keep your form concise, position it where it's easy to notice, and periodically review your Mailchimp audience to ensure new contacts are flowing in as expected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.